Hi there, welcome to UK Prepared. One question I'm often asked is, why prepare? Why be a prepper when the government's going to look after you and the emergency services are going to turn up at your door when you pick up the phone? Well, in all honesty, that is possibly the case. Your government will look after you most of the time. The emergency responders will turn up at your door most of the time. It's for those incidents when they're unable to do that it's nice to have a plan in place and preparations in place just to be self-sufficient. The government recommends being self-sufficient for 3 days. That's possibly a bit optimistic. It would possibly be far better to be self-sufficient for 2 weeks in your own home. Also, to prepare a bug out bag should you have to leave your home in an emergency, and also have a get home bag in your car with you at work should you be away from your premises and you need to get back there, because that's where you're safest, because that's where all your preps are. When you first start prepping, you should do the preps in this order. Prepare your home for 2 weeks self-sufficiency. Prepare a bug out bag in case you need to leave home in a hurry. Prepare a get home bag. Learn new skills. Skills are very important. First aid, I would always encourage everyone to get a first aid course under the belt. In an emergency situation, first aiders, priority, can't go wrong there. Other skills, do them as you go along. There's so many that it can get quite confusing. In fact, it's mind-boggling the number of different skills you can learn. But if you start with the basics and move on at your own pace. As I say, this is a basic course. We're not going to go into anything too deeply apart from the home preparation kit for 2 weeks preparedness, the bug out bag, the get home bag, and the skill sets that we carry on with. If there's any skills that you're interested in that aren't covered in the initial course, if you comment below, I'll try and put a set of videos together for that. If I don't know the answers myself, I'll try and get other professionals involved, other preppers who possibly know a little bit more about the particular subject. I've got a general good basic preparation knowledge, but there are some things I'm not quite sure about, and I'm always keen to learn new things, so I'm willing to put videos together. I'll be learning at the same time as you, and we can go on the learning curve together. As I say, if anything you need to know, put a comment in the box below. Please subscribe, and future videos, if you'd like to share them with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you like, that would be absolutely amazing. I want you along with the journey, and I want you to stay safe. And until next time, thank you very much.